Hi guys, my name is Oyebade Adedimeji, and I bring you good news. Yay! I am so excited to share this news to you. And Golden Queen photo contest sent me to you guys. Are you beautiful? Are you bold? Are you confident? Are you fashionable? Are you elegant? Do you want to be a model? Achieve your dreams. It's simple. All you need to do is follow at Golden Queen photo contest on Instagram. Send a DM to them, express your interest, and then you'll be on your way to the top. You know what? There are amazing gifts, amazing gifts, and also cash gifts for you. You win gifts like iPhone 12 Pro Max, human hair wigs, branded t-shirts, a lot of beautiful gifts. Then the winner takes home 500,000 naira with lots of gifts. The first runner-up takes home 300,000 with lots of gifts. Second runner-up takes home 200,000 with lots of gifts. Third runner-up takes home 100,000 with lots of gifts. And registration is absolutely free. Isn't this amazing? If you ask me, this is a wolf, and I would not even miss this for anything. So just go on, follow at the Golden Queen photo contest on Instagram, and send them a DM. Show your interest, and you'll be on your way to the top. And I'll see you at the top. Bye guys, I love you. I wish you all the best.